In this video, I'm going to show you how to see backup photos in Google Photos. So if you want to see where all your backed up photos and videos are going when you back them up, this is how you can do it. You won't be able to find this on Google Photos. To do this, what you want to do is open your browser, and once open, you want to search for photos.google.com. Now load the site, and this will load your photos and videos that are stored to your Google account. If you're not finding the backup activities you are looking for, you want to make sure that you are currently signed in into your Google account on your browser. And if you have multiple Google accounts signed in, you want to make sure that you have switched to the right account. And you can do this by tapping on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. And here you should see your profile. Tap on your profile icon. This will show you all your Google accounts that is signed in on that device. To know the exact account you want to log in, you want to tap on your profile menu at the top right corner of your screen on your Google Photos. And here you see the email address that your activities are being backed up to. Switch to that account on your browser, and this will load all the pictures and videos that are backed up to that Google account. So that is how you can see backup photos in Google Photos. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.